Today we're making potato salad, country style. So we start with 1 kilo of potato and we simply cut it up into bite-sized pieces. Now that everything is cut, we return it to our container and we can bring our steamer in and pour our potato into our steamer trays, because we're gonna steam these potatoes instead of boiling them to keep some of that nutrient and texture. Now once that's done, we just simply cover it up and we bring it to our stove with the boiling water. Steam it for 25 minutes. Now while that is steaming, we can make our dressing for this. We put 4 scoops of mayo, we add some Dijon mustard, and of course a fresh lemon. So half of this lemon juice will be going in because this adds some acidity and refreshingness to this dressing. Then we add some paprika to give it that little heat, and some fresh grounded black pepper. And we have some sea salt, freshly grounded. And we mix everything well together until it's even. Then we can set that aside and we bring in our parsley. So we don't want the stems, we simply cut those off. Then we finally chop our parsley nicely. Then we can add it to our dressing. Then we mix everything well until it's even. Now once that's done, we can give it a quick try to make sure the flavor is to par. If you feel that you need some more salt or pepper to it, now is the time to add more. Make sure to make this a little saltier than usual, because once mixed with the potato, they'll be just fine. Now our potato is ready. We cool it down for 10-15 minutes under a fan until it stops steaming. Then we can pour everything into our dressing bowl. Then we mix this together, but be careful not to mash the potato. So you want to mix this well until it's even with a minimal amount of stirring. Now we can dress it out with some more paprika over the top. Here we go, it's ready. Bon appetit, enjoy, see you next time.